we're so excited to show you Declan's mining buckets. We thought that this is a fun way for you and your family to have some fun, and we're gonna show you what the current contents are of the red and yellow bucket and a couple different ways to use it. How's that sound, buddy?
Good.
Good? All right, so let's hold up the bucket so everyone can see what it looks like. So when you get your bucket, it's gonna look like this, and you're gonna take the lid off by pulling on the little tab right here, and it'll untie the bucket for you. And then your bucket will be filled to right about here, full of all of your stones and crystals. Do you know, what's your favorite crystal?
Amethyst.
Amethyst. So we're going to show you a couple different ways of how to use your bucket, and then we're also going to help you identify the stones that are in your bucket. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so why don't you take a handful and show them how you do it. So we have a little bit of water here, and we also have a sifter just from our beach toys. So you can take a good handful of sand, and you can put that right on top.
And some more.
And some more. That's probably good. Do one more. Okay. Perfect. Now show them how you sift it in the water. Okay, so you can do it like this, and it'll sift all the sand down into the bottom of your water, and this makes the bucket go a little bit faster, okay? And then when you're done, you can lift it up out of the water and show everybody what you got. And you can see what stones you have are left on your sifter. So what do you got so far?
A shark teeth. What is this?
Agate.
Agate. And what's this?
That is labradorite.
Labradorite.
You know what that one is.
Clear quartz. Citrine.
Citrine. So you can keep going like this. Here, you hold the sifter, okay? And you can have mom or dad kind of scooch a little bit onto your sifter. Go ahead, do you want to put those on your towel so far? Good job.
Can these all be mine?
Yep, and then lift that up. Yeah, of course, this is your bucket. Okay, and then we can sift a little bit more on there, and then you can kind of go through and sift again. Good job. Keep sifting, get all that sand out of there. Good job. All right, lift it up, and let's show everybody what you got on this round.
We got this.
Yeah.
And this one.
What's that?
Buried stone.
That's a fossil.
Also.
Yeah.
And what's this?
This is moonstone.
Moonstone.
Yeah. What's this?
Amethyst.
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 Another piece of amethyst. That's a garnet.
Garnet.
Yep. Hey, Lucy, hold on. And then this one here is carnelian.
Carnelian.
Yep. And this is green calcite.
Green calcite.
Okay, so we're gonna pause here for just 1 second. You can finish in a second. So every single bucket is gonna come with at least one really big stone. So another way you could do this is you can just dig into the bucket, get a little bit of water, and then rinse off your stones too, and that'll make the bucket last a little bit longer.
I'm gonna keep this.
That's your big stone of the bucket, right? You wanna hold that close to the video so everyone can see it. So that's called blue calcite. And then it looks like this one might have another big stone in there. Let's see. Ooh, this one's...
We're back.
Yep.
And here's some clear quartz and some smoky quartz.
And some smoky quartz. And I think, let's see, what else do we got in here? So we can... Ooh, here's a nice piece of... You know what that is. Keep going. Just go around this quartz.
And here's some of rose quartz.
Yeah, so we're gonna finish our bucket in a minute. We hope that you love your bucket with your family, and we're also gonna show you all the stones that are coming in this bucket to help you identify them too. You can also ask your mom or dad to download the PDF picture from the website, which is kellyrosesarno.com, so that you can print it off and you can have a little chart to help you identify everything as well. So we're gonna go finish our bucket. Yeah? Yeah, can you say thanks for hanging out with us?
Thanks for hanging out with us.
Is that the hawk up there?
Can you show them it?
It's kind of hard to flip the camera now, but we can share a picture on social media for sure. So we just want to say thank you so much for the support. We hope that you love your bucket as much as Declan and I love to do some mining. And then there's also a geode that's named after his little brother Everett, which we will be posting a video on how to use that geode soon as well. So we'll see you guys soon for our next bucket. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, so in this particular bucket, there is some smoky quartz, blue calcite. This is kyanite. This is moonstone. There's all kinds of different fossils. There's some rose quartz. There is goldstone. There is shark teeth.
You mean sharp tooth?
Shark teeth. This is a garnet. There is going to be a piece of sliced agate in each bucket. You might find some cobra jasper, some carnelian. You might find some leopard jasper. This is more
Mommy,
carnelian.
Can you give me the red sifter?
Yeah, this is some green calcite. You might find some citrine. This is clear quartz. Let's see, this right here, these
Mommy,
cool
I
little
found the
cubes.
last one.
Nice. These little cubes here are called fluorite, which you will also find, this is labradorite. This is moonstone. So you're gonna find all different kinds, and you can check out the little chart that we have on the website as well. But they're really fun to look it up with Mom and Dad and try to figure out what everything is. And of course, if you have any questions, you can always pop them in the comments below.